Hello Virgo, ako ulit. Virgo Collective. Tingnan natin kung ano lang random message. Okay, we'll see. Random message from my Virgo para po sa mga hindi makaresonate. Better luck next time po. Okay. Para po sa mga makaresonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you so much po sa mga new subscriber at saka sa mga nag-comment tsaka sa nag-like. Thank you so much. So, tingnan po natin Virgo. Random message lang. Random message from my Virgo, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Virgo Collective. Virgo Collective. Virgo Collective. Chariot card. Meron kang travel, Virgo. Message from my Virgo, please. What is the message from my Virgo? Meron kang message. Meron ditong message, Virgo. This is my happy message, Virgo. Positive message. Ano ba ito? Wheel of Fortune, Virgo. Wow. Regarding sa minamanifest mo, Virgo. Meron kang message dito or confirmation regarding sa manifestation mo. It's time, Virgo. Once na mag-take place ang communication dito, it will change the whole entire mundo. Ang mundo with the Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups is a confusion card or options. So, marami kang option dito, Virgo, incoming. Virgo, sa nakikita ko, dami kang opportunity with the Ace of Cups. Uy, included na ang love. Oh my God, love na naman. So, we'll see, Virgo. Sadya na, Virgo, na naputol. So, let's see. Clarify the Page of Wands. Page of Wands for my Virgo, please. Page of Wands. Queen of Pentacles, Virgo. Merong communication dito regarding sa Queen of Pentacles or regarding sa ma-achieve mo, Virgo. Oh, I will see. This is a positive news, Virgo. We'll see. Pasensya na po kayo, nasa farm ako. So, kung ano man po ang maririnig nyo sa background, pasensya na po. Meron kayong may kalabaw, may ibon, may kumpleto po kami dito. May pusa, may aso. So, pasensya na. Judgment card, Virgo. Wow, definitely. Virgo, meron kang message dito regarding sa accomplishment or regarding sa with the world card is being here. Ano ba? Give me one more. Final judgment dito, Virgo. Page of Cups. So, ay magugustuhan mo to. Magugustuhan mo to, Virgo, kung ano man tong news na to. Ay matagal mo tong hinihintay or confirmation. It is a confirmation, Virgo. You are waiting about something here. Tapos doon ka magkakaroon ng final judgment once na mag-take place ang message na to. Okay. Once na mag-take place ang confrontation na to. Confirmation. What I mean, maybe may confrontation. But there is an ending, there's a new beginning. Okay, Virgo. So, ito ang hinihintay mo. It will come or it's already here. Okay, Virgo. Yun ang dapat mong malaman. Random message po tayo. So, ayan po ang mensahe mo, Virgo. Meron kang mensahe na positive message, okay? Regarding sa stable mo dito, Virgo. I'm matutuwa. Your emotion is gonna be like stirring up or parang feeling mo magbaburst ka sa kasayahan, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. With the Judgment card, dun ka makakapag-desisyon pag once na mag-take place ang confirmation na to. Okay, Virgo? Doon ka lang magkakaroon ng groundedness at saka stableness. Okay. Mentality man, physically, or I don't know. Kasi na nakikita ko, Virgo. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune by my Virgo, please. Wheel of Fortune. What is the Wheel of Fortune here, Virgo? Oh my God, what the fuck? Ang dami. Sorry, hindi ka matatanggap yan. Bubunot na nga lang ako. Nakain ng oras eh. Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords, Ten of Swords, what the hell? Queen of Wands, you know better. With the Six of Pentacles, Virgo, the Wheel of Fortune is being here. You need to be sneaky here, Virgo. Yun na lang ang strategy dito because you are, ang alam ko, the more na nagpaplano ka na i-public or the more na nagpaplano ka, the more you feeling betrayed here. Okay, with the 10 of swords is being here. 7 of swords to the 10 of swords. Okay, Virgo, this is hit rock bottom. Feeling betrayed, feeling alone, feeling take for granted here. Okay, Virgo. So, with the 7 of swords, you need to sneak out or may mag-i-sneak out dito, Virgo. But I think this is your energy, okay? Despite ng mga betrayal dito, Virgo, nag-stand out ka pa rin to give. Okay, generosity is issue here. Generosity is your, anong tawag dyan? Yun ang pinaka-highlight sa'yo. Even though you feel betrayed or even though feeling okay, but because ano yan naka-cover up yan okay. If you feeling like this, Virgo, just take chances. So, take chances. Bakit kung sinabing take chances? I don't know bakit ko sinabing take chances, Virgo, but with the wheel of fortune is being here, everything will change. Okay, it will not be the same, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko. It will not be the same. Okay, kung ikaw naman ang nag-embody ng Queen of Wands, wala po tayong energies, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so yung generosity mo, keep going, Virgo. Huwag kang magbabago. Ganun pa rin ang generosity mo, Virgo, even though you feel heavy, you feel betrayed, you feel lied, you feel take for granted. Everything will change, Virgo, because the wheel of fortune is being on the top. Okay, so ano ka ba rin? Giver ka pa rin dito in some point. Okay, clarify the 7 of cups, Virgo. This is an option for me, definitely. Chariot card, this is a travel card, Virgo. Ang dami mong i-explore with the wheel of fortune again. Like, are you fucking kidding me, Virgo? Virgo, dalawa ng wheel of fortune mo sa labag. So yeah, this is definitely with the ace of cups. Dalawa ng ace of cups mo, pre. Okay, let's say meron naman tayong love dito, or maybe this is self-love, Virgo. This is self-love, or with the 10 of cups, maybe family or something reunite, or this is family, Virgo. Oh my god. Clarify more. 8 of swords, someone is stuck. Ace of wands, with the king of wands. Meron na tayong couple, Virgo. King and queen of wands. For some of you, Virgo, if you are thinking about love or something, romance, something in that line, this is for you. In the third row, marami confused or merong confused dito if there is gonna be a chance with the wheel of fortune, being together or start the family together. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. But kung ikaw naman ang Virgo na hindi nagki-crave ng love, or you are satisfied with your situation or relationship, Virgo, ito ang reading mo with the 7 of cups sa third row. Ang magiging scenario ko dito is you are heading towards with the ace of cups, loving yourself and fulfilling your family needs. Gets mo? With the ace of wands is like you are going to start a new beginning on something here when it regards to your family, relatives, I don't know, in that kind of line. Okay, loved ones. But with the 8 of swords is being here, you are stuck for a while, or maybe someone is stuck nga talaga, and very sad. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang stuck or maybe someone is stuck. The thoughts of you being in a happy family connection or happy connection with yourself. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Okay, Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko, but there is a lot of opportunity and there is a lot of confusion. I think i-explore mo siya isa-isa with the chariot card is being here, okay, and with the wheel of fortune. I think while you are exploring, you are taking care of your mental health or your emotional kind of health here, Virgo. And for some of you, someone wants to approach you and tell you about the new beginning that is definitely in their mind. Okay, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa third row. But wheel of fortune is here, and the message is being here, Virgo. Kung ano man yung hinihintay mo, it's coming. Okay, magiging mag-validate na yan, or kung hindi ka active, magiging active na yan, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nasabi yan, basta meron ka ditong activation, okay, confirmation, okay. With the sa first row, dalawang wheel of fortune mo, meron kang judgment, meron kang world card, meron kang chariot card Ace of Cups. Meron kang couple card. So, ano pa nga ba? Okay, so let's see. Hindi ko alam kung ano magiging role nito sa'yo, pero couple card ko yan. Okay. So, in some point, if this is not your past person, craving a new beginning with you, or wanting, maybe this is a past person kasi merong 8 of Swords at saka 5 of Cups, definitely stuck. And nagkikrave ng new beginning, Ace of Wands at saka King of Wands. With the 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups, hindi ko alam kung past mo yan or maybe you are currently involved with someone, you currently married, Virgo. Maybe this person wants to put your relationship into the next level. Okay, Virgo? So, yeah. Para po sa mga Virgo singles, maybe this is only you embodying this energy. Nag-explore ka ng mga opportunity to one by one. Travel is involved. Okay. With the Wheel of Fortune is being here, your finances will be enough. Okay, to travel. Pampering yourself, Virgo. Going to the salon. Changing your color hair. I don't know bakit na nasabi yan. God damn it. Pero yun, may mga maririnig kayo, mga baka, manok, kabayo. Nandito ako sa farm, so sensya na po. Tingnan po natin kung anong advice para kay Virgo. Adjustment is required, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung saan yan para sa'yo. The answer you need are coming. And surrender to the divine. Yun lang ang hindi ko alam kung saan ka magpipit dyan, Virgo. Basta yan ang advice sa'yo. Surrender to the divine. The answer you need are coming and an adjustment is required. Confidence is your key to success. Okay, Virgo? So, tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number mo. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups. Tsaka 3 of Swords. Okay, maybe this is parang feeling ko dito sa overall energy is loving yourself or putting yourself first. Okay, Virgo. Or maybe someone is heartbroken kasi you are choosing yourself here. Okay, 5 and 6, Virgo. 5 and 6. 5, 6, 9, Virgo. Google mo siya. Angel message number 5, 6, 9. Maaaring connected sa situation mo. So, ito lang maaaring ko sa'yo, Virgo. Para po sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga Virgo na makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. So, thank you so much for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and bye for now.